Are you tired of living in your head? You dream about the life you want, you replay scenarios, you scroll through quotes that hit deep but nothing ever changes. You tell yourself you're thinking through it. But deep down you know the truth. Thinking without action is just disguised procrastination. Your thoughts won't rewrite your circumstances. No amount of planning, visualizing, or preparing will move you forward if you never take the first real step. The gap between who you are and who you want to be isn't closed by more ideas, it's closed by movement. You don't need more resources, you don't need perfect conditions. You don't need to wait until you feel ready. The writer doesn't become a writer by reading more books about writing. He becomes a writer the moment he puts pen to paper. The same goes for you. The athlete doesn't become an athlete by watching training videos. The entrepreneur doesn't become one by endlessly researching. They all start messy, scared, and under-resourced, and that's exactly when real change begins. Stop consuming, start creating. Stop reading about the journey, start walking it. Every minute you spend thinking about change without acting on it is a minute your future self loses. The clock doesn't care how many motivational posts you like today. It only moves forward. So here's your moment of truth. Are you going to stay a dreamer? Or are you finally going to become the main character of your own story? Stand up, take that first imperfect step. Messy action beats perfect inaction every single time. Your future isn't waiting for you to feel ready. It's waiting for you to move. You already know what you need to do. The only question left is, will you do it today?